G'day! We've made a little friend in our tyre here. I don't know if you can see that. But that is a massive roofing screw that's got in the old black rim here. So we're getting our tyre iron as supplied by our friends over at Kia. Try and take this fella off, and you can't get it off because it's on so hard. I don't know if you ever have this problem, but seriously, it's not budging. So, solution. My son has got a scooter, got the handle from the scooter, which I'm going to use as a breaker bar, and we just slide her on in right like that, and with a bit of oompity oompa we can try and crack this. Here we go. Oh, look at that. So next time you're stuck on the side of the road, just go and find a scooter handle and Bob's your auntie, you'll be able to try and loosen your lug nuts. I don't know what kind of Hulk machine they think we are, but seriously, next time I'm just going to have to keep this in the car. Not just for fun, it's for mechanics as well. Alright, good luck with your tyre changing.